Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move crosswalk. Now obviously knowing how to do a first move already would be really helpful, and knowing how to lead some footwork would be really helpful. I'll put links to videos that help you with that in the description below, and assuming you've got that under your belt, you're going to be ready for one of these. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So when we say crosswalk, what we're saying is instead of just walking straight forwards, we're walking and taking our right foot over to the left as we go forwards and taking our left foot over to the right as we go forwards. So breaking the move down, it looks like this. It goes semicircular back, in like a normal first move. This is where things change a little bit. You can connect in different ways, but I'd go for the right hand on the shoulder blade at this point. We're going to lead the lady to step back with the right, and the guys are also going to step back with the right. You could go for the full width of the lady's back if you needed more connection, or you can stick with the shoulder blade you're already on, or just switch to the far shoulder blade. It's all going to work. From here, we're going to lead a step forwards, and we're going to do it by taking the right foot over to the left. Then we're going to lead the left around and over to the right around and over to the left. Obviously we're running out of room, left over to the right. You could do as many or as few of these as you like. Probably easiest to end by taking the right over, then rock through the back foot into a twist out, and finishes the standard first move. In, under and face, return and back. You can do this with an even number of crosses or an odd number, but an odd number is what we're doing today because you'll probably find it easier to exit. So let's break it down with numbers and give you the other view. So we go back, 1, in, 2, twist out, everybody steps back right, 3. We take the right over, 4, the left over, 5, the right over, 6, the left over, 7, the right over, 8. We twist out, 1, prep 2, turning 3, facing 4, returning 5 and back 6. So let's do it together. It says checking to make sure he's got the right amount of space. So here we go, 5, 6, first move, crosswalk. We go a back, in, back on the right, over the right, over with the left, over with the right, over with the left. Last one, over, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. Again, how many you do is up to you, and generally you want to be picking something in the music to follow. So if something happens for 4 counts, do 4 counts worth, and so on. That's it. Take it out on the floor, enjoy it, play with it, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to comes up in the last few moments of the video in those windows. And do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. As always, we'll see you next time.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.